Anna, what are you doing?
Mima.
Tomatoes? Are you helping Mommy make salsa?
No.
Yeah? Can you say tomatoes?
Mima.
Tomato?
Oh.
Yeah, does that look pretty yummy? Do you like tomatoes?
No.
Do you want to take a bite out of the tomato? Take a bite. Is that yummy? No? Okay, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Tomato. Can you say apron?
No.
Yeah, good job. Anna is 17 and a half months.
Ah.
Yes. Give a kiss.